YouTube, it's your girl Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions from a wig that I got from none other than Freedom Couture. I've only had my first wig from them for 2 weeks, and some people recommended, I should have waited just to see how the wig holds up over time. However, I've been wearing wigs and weaves for a really long time, and I can tell when the quality of the hair is pretty good, and by far this is the best hair I've ever touched, bought, ever, in any form: wig, a weave, a closure. So I figured, might as well go on their website, see what they had available. I wasn't planning on buying anything. However, I was like, you know what, let me just, take a look and see what they have. Found something, I liked it, and well, here it is. So let's get right into it. I'm trying to figure out which one I got because I don't remember. But I guess once I open up the package, we'll be able to see. Always so hard to get out of this little bag. They don't make this easy. They don't make this stuff easy. Okay, so I am unboxing it. It comes in the same little box they sent last time. So excited. I love hair. I love extensions. So the same card's in here. This is the part I don't like. Congratulations on receiving your dream hair with your new Freedom Couture luxury handcrafted unit. You are a queen and you deserve to feel beautiful every day. Please love her as much as I do. Welcome to the Freedom Couture Bella Familia. Love always, Mama Couture XOXO. I did a little bit better this time. So let's get right into it. I'm just gonna put this on the floor. It comes in that same satin bag. I can already smell it. But it comes in the same satin bag. Probably packaged the same way. It looks like, I guess, ooh, it's a pretty color. So I got it to just replace one of the wigs that I have, that I like the color and I like the length. However, the hair just didn't hold up the way I wanted it to hold up. So I figured, if the price was right, might as well. This color was a lot prettier in person than it was online. Oh gosh. Do you see this? It looks yellow, but it's not yellow. Just exhale. Oh my goodness. It comes with that same elastic band on the inside that I told you guys that I really liked, just because you have the option of taking it out and putting it back in if you don't feel like it's something that you need or want. The cap construction is the same as the other one, so it's a frontal in the front with wefts in the back. And I don't mind it because I've had wigs with this cap construction before, and like I said, I'm not gonna wear it up. So the fact that the back of it is like this elastic is not really gonna bother me. There is a little bit of lace in the back. Not really too sure what the purpose of that is, but if I wanted to still wear this up, it's still very doable. So I got the wig in the Carmen in 16 inches. It did come in longer lengths. It came in a 20 inch, but like I said, I was looking for it to replace a wig that I already had. So I wasn't really looking for something too long. And since I got their first wig, which is the Kylie wig in 20 inches, and the 20 inches damn near came down to my belly button, I figured 16 inches is probably going to meet me where I needed to meet me, which is like right under here. So we'll see when I put the wig on. Now the one thing that I didn't really read on, and I probably should have, just because the density of the wig does matter, because like I mentioned before, it's not uncommon for a wig to shed. Typically you don't experience that much, well, I don't experience that much shedding because I don't wear my wigs every single day. I do take them off and put them on a mannequin head at night. But this wig is only 130% density. I wish it was a little bit fuller. I feel like just holding it up, I can see right through it. So I guess we'll see what it looks like on my head. Just like the last time, I am experiencing just a little bit of shedding, and it's not really like shedding because the hair is not coming out from the root, it's coming off from the end. And like I said before, with blonde hair, you are going to get a little bit of breakage. That's normal because the hair has been lifted, so it is going to break a little bit easier. I'm probably going to darken these roots. Not probably, I am going to darken these roots just because the color that it is like a mouse brown, and that's just not really the color that I'm looking for. I'm gonna do it like a little bit of a gradient effect, so I'm gonna just probably do a small bit of black and dark brown. I'm gonna film that for you guys so you guys can see what that process looks like. But you know, let's go ahead and put this on my head and see how I look with this color. So I feel like I can't really get my first impressions of this. The hair feels really light. No, it's different. I feel like I can't really get my first impressions of this just until I tint the roots. The length is perfect. What am I doing here? Oh, the lace is just really short. Okay. The lace on my last one was a little bit longer, so that threw me off. The color at the roots actually doesn't even look that bad. I wish it had a little bit more hair. This feels so thin. Okay. I'm a little disappointed with the amount of hair that it has on the wig. Like it's really, really thin. I guess, you know, they're going more for like a natural fullness. Maybe, yeah, it's a little bit too thin for my liking. I wish they had made it, you know, at least 180% density. I think that's a nice density for the hair to be in. The color, on the other hand, is perfect. The length is perfect. I kind of feel like if I need to purchase a bundle of hair just to add in the back of this, just to make it a little bit more full. Yeah, not really feeling the density. Yeah, it feels empty, like it's missing something. And I think I paid about $1,100 for the wig. I'll insert the right price for it. So it wasn't cheap. And then for the length, I just feel like you should get a little bit more hair. So what I would recommend is, if you're looking at wigs from her company, Freedom Couture, I would just recommend that maybe do at least 180% density. And the reason for that is, one, it's a natural fullness, and two, you also need to account for the fact that the hair is going to shed. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna cut it, look in the mirror, and hopefully I get a different view than what I'm getting on camera now, because I'm not really feeling how thin this wig is. I'll be honest with you. Be right back. All right, so I'm back. As you guys can probably see, I haven't cut the lace off. Yeah, the density of this wig is just really, really too thin for my liking. And I wouldn't normally mind adding wefts. However, I just don't feel like I should have to add wefts in the hair that I just got. I'm gonna try to reach out to them. I know they have a no return policy for no reason at all, with the exception of if it's something that's their fault. And I have to admit that it is my fault. I didn't pay attention to the density. I was just so excited to get another wig from them. I just ordered, but I'm just not feeling the density of this hair. It is way, way too thin. I feel in order for me to keep a wig at this density, I would have to cut it. And why would I pay all that money for this quality of hair just to cut it? So I'm gonna reach out to them, see if there's anything that can be done. But this just, yeah, I'm not satisfied. I wish I could sit here and say that I am, but anyone who knows me know that you can see the satisfaction written all over my face, because I don't know how to wear my emotions. So like I said, I'm gonna reach out to them and just see what can be done and just take it from there, because this is not for me. I need at least 180% density. This wig is just way too thin. I mean, you guys can see, like, this is all the hair. This is crazy. The color, perfect. The density, not so much. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens.